Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Hope you are keeping fine and enjoying good health. Today, before we start our class, let us invite God Almighty into our midst. Let us close our eyes and pray for a few moments. Yes, dear students, the other day we were discussing the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar, Learning the Game. Do you remember who are the main characters? Sachin himself is the main character or protagonist of the story or the autobiography. Okay, he speaks about his younger brother Ajit and his trainer. Okay, now we are going to start the lesson. You can see here the textbook I will read. I will read each paragraph and I will explain to you. Learning the game. So before we start our lesson, I had told you in the previous class, in order to achieve something, we need to have hard work and that goal-oriented mind. Then we are able to achieve something for our life. Okay, we are going to start. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. Okay, so we are seeing the Sachin is the speaker. He is speaking about from very early age I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. So they were staying in Mumbai and along with his friends he was playing cricket and he knew how to play. I loved watching cricket on television and games. He was a person who used to watch and observe learning the game from his friends, from his colony friends. So he also admired two important players, favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. The other day, if you observe, if you have read the newspaper, we saw in the last page often speaks sports column. Okay, we saw about Sunil Gavaskar. Do you remember? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar was sponsoring something on his birthday. He was contributing some amount for the children. The little children who are those who are having heart surgery, and so he was contributing some amount for the little children. So that was about Sunil Gavaskar. So he loved bowling and he learned many things from this such great personalities like Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. So that is the first paragraph. He is speaking about how he learned the game and what he was admiring from others. Okay, in the second paragraph, you see, I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shardashram Vidyamandir, where Ramkant Akrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So, now he was studying in Mumbai, one of the English school. Studying there, his brother, what was the name of his brother? Ajit, we learned in the previous class. So his brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shardashram Vidyamandir, where Ramkant Akrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. While Ajit understood that Sachin is good at playing cricket as a small child, so comparing to other schools, he understood that this school, the particular school in Mumbai, Shardashram Vidyamandir, gave more importance for playing cricket or coaching cricket because this particular man, Ramkant Akrekar sir, was giving the training there. Okay. Ajit one day, he ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So, knowing the skills and abilities of Sachin, Ajit took Sachin to Akrekar sir to get training from Akrekar sir. Okay. Anyone could come for trial at the camp, but then it was up to some to decide who to accept it. So anyone can go for the camp, but Sir Ramkant Akrekar Sir will decide who will be accepted for the training there. I was 11 years old then. What was the age of Sachin? 11 years old. You can imagine at the age of 11, you may be class 6 or 7, something like that. So I was 11 years old then. Akrekar Sir, as I referred to you, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. So even Akrekar Sir also started playing at the age of 11, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So he is comparing here. Akrekar Sir also started playing cricket at the age of 11. Now Sachin also is going to Akrekar Sir to get the training or join in the camp at the age of 11. I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable with the Sir watching me so closely. I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. So let us see that here. See, I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. See, we saw in the previous paragraph, Sir will decide who has to be there for the camp. So first they have to bat. Sir will see, Sir will observe, and if he feels that he is fit, he will accept the members. So he was asked to bat, but all the people were watching at Sachin. Can you imagine what a tension? If you are here in the school ground if you are asked to do something alone, you will feel little embarrassed, you will feel nervous, tension, all these things are there, right? We saw in the previous story, Tarun, what was he feeling? Okay, he was tensed when he was about to run, but someone was there to give him confidence. Same way, Sachin also felt little uncomfortable, he was not at all ease. With the Sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. See, since Akrekar Sir was watching at him very closely, he was feeling little uneasy and he was not able to give a good impression. Okay. Sir called Ajit aside and informed that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring him back when I was little older. So seeing his performance, Akrekar Sir called Ajit and said, who is Ajit? The elder brother of Sachin. Called him and said, now he is too young. Let us wait for some more time, and afterwards, maybe little more when he has become big, you can bring him for the camp. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Akrekar Sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked Sir to give me one more opportunity. See what happens here? Sachin is speaking that, see, my induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. You see, if Sir told him, maybe you can come after 1 year or when he becomes little more big. Sachin says that if that case, he could have finished up or stopped his interest for cricket then and there. But what happens there? Ajit's insistence. Ajit was there, his brother was there to support him because Ajit knew exactly what Sachin is. He was playing in the colony with his friends, so Ajit was watching. So he knew what he did in front of Akrekar Sir is nothing, but he knew much better than that. So Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Akrekar Sir. He knew the ability of Sachin. So what he did, Ajit asked Akrekar Sir just to give one more opportunity, one more chance to show his performance. Okay. However, he suggested that while doing so, Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. You see what he did? Ajit asked Akrekar Sir just to give one more chance for Sachin to do his batting. Give him a chance that he may improve. But one condition he made, sir, when he do the batting, you just stand little far away. When you are standing so closer to him, he feels nervous and he feels uneasy. Okay. Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. So Cracker sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without Sir's strange eyes scrutinizing me, also I thought I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, Sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. You see, when he felt that Sir is not observing him or Sir was standing far away, Sachin did not know that Sir is watching, but Sir was pretending and standing far away and watching at Sachin's performance. So he felt that Sachin was doing wonderfully well and he was accepted in the camp. And Sachin says that this was the moment that transformed his life. So each person's life there is a moment of transformation. So this is a moment in which Sachin had a transformation in his life to change his career and to do better in his life. So dear students, now for the next class, continue to read the lesson, understand the meaning, and be prepared for the next class. So thank you.